So here you can see in this Texas area we have a snow right now, and currently roads are clean, but they are going to be covered in the night. Snow is continued. It's getting very cold, and during this winter you can see this is the water hose, main water hose area, which is all covered, and there are many chances happen that my water line will be also frozen. So next we'll show you what to do. This is another shower, and here is also no water. So all my house do not have any water right now. I'm going to see what is going on right now. Here is this bath tub faucet. This is closed. This is open. Hot water. No water is coming at all. This is the another sink. All the faucets are open, but there is no water. And this is a sink faucet. It is 100% on. So there is no hot water, no cold water. Everything is completely off. So first we are going to close the main water pipe from the outside the home. So here you can see this is all snow, and we have closed this main water pipe. Here you can see this is the closed one. So first close the water pipe, and we have covered with the one extra blanket type, so don't go inside ice. Now second step is we have to increase the thermostat temperature, so that right now I kept it 75. It's almost 74 degree Fahrenheit, so very close. It is going to be increase the temperature of the attic, so that if any snow will be or ice cold water will be there, it will melt. Now after 12 hours or overnight heating, the third step is to close all the water hoses. So this was open. Now I'm closing it. Next, this side also close. Now we have to close this. This is closed. Close. Another, this shower is also closed. So all the faucets are closed right now except one. Now in the fourth step, I'm going to open only one pipe, which is from the kitchen one, and I will try to suck the water out either with mouth or vacuum. So it's very easy, just it's only hand tight. And right now it is open, you can see, but nothing coming out. I'm going to suck with the mouth. Some water is coming, but it's not come very quick. You have to suck a lot, then it's come. Next, or we can use the vacuum pump. So now I'm going to use the vacuum pump. Here you can see this is the vacuum pump is here. And so start this one. And this tubing I will hold it here. Like this one. And the other end will be hold like this one. And then let's start. Water is coming up. So you can see we monitor the water. Water is coming from the tubing, and once the tubing is filled up to here or it's going into my vacuum, we stop from the vacuum side. We remove the like this one, and then it drain in this pot. So I'm trying to suck if any ice is melting, so water will come out. So once again we'll show you. Start the vacuum. Then cover this, close this, put it back. Now in the fifth step, we have to repeat third and fourth step 2-3 times. So basically, third step was close all the water hoses. And in the fourth step, you have to open only one pipe, which is in my case the sink one. Only one pipe, and try to suck water out either mouth or by vacuum. And in the fifth step, you have to keep doing the same thing 3-4 times. And then we'll notice something after sixth step. And in the sixth step, I have noticed that from one of the pipe, water was dripping. So here you can see this is the sink is open, and one sink its water is coming. So this is the good sign, and we'll do the same. Now the seventh step, to open the main pipe outside. Here you can see now this is the parallel of main pipe. We have opened it, and all the pipes or inside were open. So here you can see water from outside hose is coming, and let's see inside what the condition. Now you can see this is the sink, kitchen sink. Water is on, and this is the cold one and the hot, both are coming. Next, and now you can see this is the bathtub water is running. Another sink water is also, and this one is also ready. And here is our shower is also working. So currently now all the pipes are open, and we save our house with from defrozen water, defrozen pipes.